Okay, hello, I'm Aiden, one of the members of the Unnamed team. Here is our project. Unfortunately, our other two members couldn't make it. So, our project is pretty simple. We decided to make a Christmas scene, and instead of it just being a Christmas scene, we decided to make it so that whenever you hit the button R, as in refresh, reload, it will basically, you see all these ornaments and all these stockings, it would change the color of all of them. So how it works is, you can see, so here, if I hit the button R, you see these colors, they will change to different ones. And basically how it works, we import turtle, import random. Random basically allows us to make it so that we take all these colors. So these are our different colors: red, orange, yellow, blue, indigo, violet, purple, aqua, and we take a random choice out of all of these. So one of these gets chosen, and that is our random color. So we set a random color to be our fill color. So we're able to make all of these into different colors, each one picked one at a time. So how our project works is we tell the user, you can hit the button R to change colors, and then we hide the turtle, and this basically allows us to have the turtle not take forever to draw the picture. So if I take it out, it's very, very slow, like super slow. And if I put it in, it comes a lot faster. It draws very fast. So how our project works is we have functions to draw each of the things separately. So we draw the stock. This is how we draw the stockings. First for every single one, the ornaments in the stockings, we get a random color, which is right here. We basically just do everything here. And then we begin the fill, we do all the movements to draw the stocking, and we end the fill. And that's our one stocking, and we do that twice to make this scene with two different colors. And then for the fireplace, it's even simpler. It's just really a box with two outer things with a box in the middle. Doesn't need much of an explanation. And for our tree, the basic tree, it's just brown. It's a brown rectangle and a green triangle. And we have 6 ornaments, which are all just circles that are in different colors. So in order to draw one ornament, we basically do this. We move to the position that we want that ornament to be in. We get a random color and we draw the circle, and that's it. And then we do that again and again and again. We didn't put it in repeat because we wanted them to be in random locations. And that's everything that we need here. So in order to draw the whole thing, we need T.clear here to make it so that whenever we hit the button R, we're not just drawing this again. So we clear everything, and to make it so that whenever we hit the button R, we can just redraw. So we clear, and then we move to here. We draw the tree with different random colors, and then we draw the fireplace. We draw the 2 stockings moving, and that is our function to draw the entire thing. And in order to make it so that we can draw it again and we hit the button R, we do T on key press. We do draw a scene whenever we hit the button R. We can also change this to be like, for example, the button E or P or Q, anything we want, and then we just listen for the user to hit the button R. So yeah. So again, pretty much everything we have except for this is all just drawing this is all just drawing the actual tree and all that stuff when this loads. Yeah, that's all drawing this. It's just this tiny thing right here that it's the main thing about this project, that we're able to make different colors and be able to really change this Christmas scene. And you can do this with anything. You can just take this and you can also make like the fireplace different colors. Like we can use the fireplace, and instead of like just setting it to orange and gray, we can make it get random colors. So everything here could be a random color, but in order to make it clear that it's like a Christmas tree and a fireplace with stockings, we've kept it gray, orange, green, and brown. So yeah, that's our project. It's pretty simple. It's just a Christmas scene that has ornaments and stockings that change colors. Thank you.